Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you the best way on how to create new eFootball 2026 account. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. It's very easy and simple. What you have to do is just go to your Google, and right over here you need to type in my Konami or ID Konami. So you just need to go to their website. And right over here, it might take a while to load up, but right over here, what you have to do is just register Konami ID because you're playing it for the first time and you're creating a new account. So you just go ahead and press on register Konami ID. And here we are. Now it's just going to ask for your date of birth. So right over here, you can just directly put in your year. So I'm just going to put in it like this. And month should be something like this. And just it should be your birthday, so you can it's not that. So your country and then region, and then press next. Once all of this is confirmed, it's just gonna take a age verification. So yeah, so here we go. Now you gotta put in your email address, so like this, and then your profile name. So I'm just gonna go for like something like this, and then your password. So you can choose any kind of password, but it should be a mix of like numbers and characters. So something like, yeah, so something like this, and then your country, region, and I agree, and then press next. So that's your privacy notes. So just keep on press I agree, and you just gotta press next. And here we go. Now they will send a um, email to your Gmail. So you just gotta confirm that. So what you need to do is just go to your Gmail, and a code should be sent to your email. So if it's not, just simply wait and you will receive a code from Konami. So yeah, you just need to uh, put in that, and then you're good to go after that. So here we go. I have received the code. So I'm just gonna put in the code real quick. So the code for me is 301 and then 1065. So I just gotta press next after this. So yeah, once you've verified your Konami account, you're good to go after that, and you've basically created your Konami ID, and you can directly play eFootball after that. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you in the next one.